So, step 11, you have a big heart. You are going to donate to charity every month. So you can choose more than one charity and how much you will donate each month. And you can also choose to volunteer at a charity instead of making a money donation, but you must make at least one monetary donation of at least $5. So you have to make at least one donation of money of $5 to one of these charities. Or you can just donate time plus the $5 donation. So to add to this, I'm going to donate my money. I'm going to donate $25 to the Wildlife Conservation Fund. Save those national parks. So I'm going to donate $25. If you want to make more, you just click on it. If you're using a Chromebook or a computer, you hold the control, the CTRL, and then push C to copy. Or if you're using a Mac, it is the Command C shortcut. And then to paste is Control or Command V. I'm going to donate $25 to the local museum. Plus, you know what? I'm also going to spend some time working at the food bank, and I'm just going to give them some hours. I will donate over the course of a month 10 hours. 10 hours this month to the food bank. So now you're going to go down here, and you are required, you're going to be adding up your charitable money donations for the month. So you go down here, and you are donating $50 over the month. And as we have gotten used to, you go back up to your last payment, $1,818. Put it into your calculator, and you're going to take that away from your charitable donations. So $1,818 minus the $50 I am donating for November brings me to $1,768. $1,768.00. Because it is nice and proper to give to charity to those less fortunate than yourself.